There's a recall on smoke alarms that you are going to want to know about. So I want you to take a look at your screen right now. You can see these 3 packs of the LS Home photoelectric smoke alarms that are being recalled. This is because the Consumer Product Safety Commission says it poses a fire hazard. It says if the sensing threshold of security warnings is set too high, the alarm may not sound in a proper or in a timely manner. So these alarms were sold on Amazon from February of last year through December. If you have the alarms, throw them away and reach out to the email address on your screen for instructions on how to get that full refund.